In the Heian era, the golden age of Jujutsu, there was one monster no sorcerer could defeat. Even after death, he never truly disappeared. His power lived on, sealed within 20 cursed fingers. 1,000 years later, a reckless teenager swallowed one of those fingers and awakened the monster once again. And there was one sorcerer, confident that he could defeat that monster.
先生とどっちが強い？
そうだね。力のすべてを取り戻したスクナならちょっとしんどいかな。
負けちゃう？
勝つさ。
But in the end, he lost. He was no ordinary curse. Even curses feared his very existence. He was the king of all curses. Ryomen Sukuna.